Heck yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty congested tree area. I've got tree parts in all my hair and everything, I bet.
You got tree parts all up in all your parts?
Yeah.
I'm not shocked at that.
I got trees all up in my funyuns.
Those are ice sealers. Fuck you, bitches. Yeah, we lost our mirror again. Willows will do that.
Willows are dicks. The rest of them are right. Willows are fucking annoying.
Do you know a hazelnut is part of the willow family? Random factoid. There you go.
That's nuts.
Bringing it in for the win. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just needed to find somebody who could make a joke out of all my autism spewing.
Heck yes. I try my best.
You do awfully good.
Oh, I think we're getting close. We're the blue
decent.
dot. We're actually quite a ways still.
We're still quite a ways, but
we're almost.
We already made it all the way from the unknown spot. This is where we had been before.
Yeah.
So.
We're finally.
Yeah, because to the left will be
the dong tree. Our last checkpoint.
Yeah. Checkpoint.
It's a dick. Wee! Smush down some stuff. Yeah, this is a doozy of a fucking. This is pretty much as rainforest as you can get on this mountain, I think.
Yeah. She danced.
Mm-hmm.
It's moist. Weird flowers grow here.
Yeah, lots of strange ones.
Yeah. This is a part of woods that if you don't know what it is, don't put it in your mouth.
Yeah, there looks like a lot of unfamiliar to me things in here.
And some of the things that are familiar, I'm like, that's toxic.
Yeah. And they're just chilling
Or
next to things that look kind of edible, that look the same.
Kind of, yeah. Yeah, copycat species is a known thing.
Mm-hmm.
Not only in animals, but in plants as well.
It's a protection measure.
And you know what it is? It's
Car wash.
It's the non-toxic plants mimicking the toxic ones because they found out they get eaten less.
This is true.
So then they try and change into that, as it were. Survival.
This trail gnarly. Imagine playing a Clarence Gnat. Imagine playing a Clarence Gnat. Like, I bet you Clarence would let you try to play it. How am I on your side?
Really fucking close.
Oh.
You can probably see better in the mirror than I can. I have to lean out to see that.
Oh, yeah. We're good. I think. No. No, we're not.
Oh, you're nowhere near my side now.
I could probably cut her this way.
You're fine on my side. It's your side.
Okay.
You're right next to the tree, but you got a couple inches. Okay, you're past the tree now.
Ow.
Oh,
I see what it was.
So loosey-goosey that your front tire decided to pick up first.
Oh, shit. She's a tight one. Fucking got caught in Clarence's net. I can't see shit.
Go that way.
Which way?
Down.
Oh, down.
Yeah, that's about all we got. There's you're clear on my side.
Okay. I feel like I have immeasurable hope for this next obstacles. Shit. That got flexy for a minute. Oh, we're at 5 minutes. Once I get to this log, I'll fucking cut her off.